China is known as the world's largest exporter, but it is also a large importer of goods from around the world. As the country's economy continues to grow, it is increasingly dependent on imports to keep it going. In this article, we take a closer look at the top 10 imports from China and the suppliers of these products. Crude oil. China is the world's largest importer of crude oil, importing more than 10 million barrels per day in 2020. China's largest crude oil suppliers are Saudi Arabia, Russia, Iraq, Angola, and Oman. Integrated circuits. As China's technology industry continues to grow, it has become the world's largest importer of integrated circuits. In 2020, China's integrated circuit imports will exceed $350 billion. The main suppliers of these circuits are Taiwan, Korea, Japan, the United States, and Malaysia. Iron ore. China is the world's largest producer of steel and therefore the largest importer of iron ore. In 2020, China will import more than 1 billion tons of iron ore. China's largest iron ore suppliers are Australia, Brazil, and South Africa. Petroleum gas. China is also the world's largest importer of petroleum gas, with imports exceeding 100 billion cubic meters in 2020. China's largest LPG suppliers are Australia, Qatar, and Malaysia. Copper. China is the world's largest consumer of copper and imports large quantities of the metal each year. In 2020, China imported more than $43 billion worth of copper. China's largest copper suppliers are Chile, Peru, and Australia. According to the Tenda data system, the trade volume of copper has increased steadily in the past 3 years, with frequent trade activities and a dynamic market. China, the United States, India, and Vietnam are the main importing countries. Soybeans. As the world's largest consumer of pork, China imports large quantities of soybeans to feed its livestock. In 2020, China imported soybeans worth more than $40 billion. China's largest soybean suppliers are Brazil, the United States, and Argentina. Natural gas. China is the third largest importer of natural gas in the world, with imports exceeding 100 billion cubic meters in 2020. China's largest natural gas suppliers are Australia, Qatar, and Russia. Refined petroleum. China is also a significant importer of refined petroleum products, importing more than $55 billion of these products in 2020. China's largest suppliers of refined petroleum products are South Korea, Singapore, and Japan. Automobiles. As China's middle class continues to grow, demand for automobiles continues to grow. In 2020, China imported more than $23 billion worth of cars. China's largest auto suppliers are Japan, the United States, and Germany. Plastics. China is the world's largest importer of plastics, importing more than $75 billion of these products in 2020. China's largest plastic suppliers are South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. In summary, China's top 10 imports range from crude oil and natural gas to technology products such as integrated circuits. The main suppliers of these products are located all over the world, with countries such as Saudi Arabia, Australia, Taiwan, and Japan playing an important role in China's imports. As China's economy continues to grow, its import demand is likely to only increase in the coming years. If you want to develop the Chinese market and find Chinese customers, Tendata can provide you with China's trade data. In addition, market analysis reports can help you obtain clearer data for accurate market analysis and positioning.